Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about a problem called gold detective. Okay, so you have, let's say, 5 bags with gold bars in them. And one of the bags is actually artificial gold or fake gold. So you're a detective and you have to find this. How do we know this? Well, the real gold bar is actually 10 lb weight. So this is basically 10 pounds. And if you work in kgs, that's perfectly fine. It's slightly, I would say, it's a bit less than 10 kgs, but that doesn't matter. And a fake gold bar, as expected, is much lighter. It's 8 lbs, okay? And we have a digital scale, but we're a detective with limited means, so we can only use it once. So the question is, can you solve this challenge? Can you find out the bag that contains all the artificial or fake gold bars with just one weighing attempt? Okay, and you can of course pick up gold bars from each of these bags, as as many gold bars you want, and you can assume they have sufficiently many gold bars. So I'm sure you're not going to take out 100,000 gold bars out of them. You don't need that much, but for all practical purposes, you can pick up as many gold bars as you want, but you can only weigh them once. So you have to find a way in which you can find out the fake or artificial gold bag. Okay, so if you solved this problem before, great time to pause the video and try to solve this. But before we get into solving, if you've been liking my content so far, please do like my videos and also subscribe to my channel and also share it amongst your friends who may be interested in such kind of a content. Okay, so let's be back. All right, so I hope you got to the answer, but that's okay if you didn't. And if you did, that's great. We'll wait till the end. So what is this? It seems like a tough question, but actually the answer may not be so tough. So the hint, I would give you the first hint here. And the hint is, try to pick an equal number of gold bars from each bag. So try picking up Okay, so what I'm saying is you got to pick up an equal number of gold bars from each bag. So it could be like, okay, from the first bag you pick 1, then second bag you pick 3, then you could pick 5, 3, 5, you could pick 4. Make sure that you don't pick anything, if you basically, let's say, picked, like I said, 1, 3, 5, 4, but you can't pick 3. This is not allowed. You could pick probably 6. That's fine. So try this way and see if you can work out a way to find the answer. So I would urge you to pause the video and try it yourself from now. Okay, so I hope you got to the answer. In case not, that's perfectly fine. We'll get to it together. Okay, so let's talk about what are the possible cases here. So case 1 could be bag 1 is fake. Like I mentioned, there's just one bag with artificial gold and the rest all of them are fine. And then case 2 could be bag 2 is fake. Case 3, similarly, B3 is fake. And similarly, case 5 is bag 5 is fake. Okay. So our approach is to find out the expected weight of gold bars picked in this fashion. That is, from bag 1 you pick 1, from bag 2 you pick 3, from bag 3 you pick 5, from bag 4 you pick 7, and from bag 5 you pick 9. And this is just one of the fashions I've used, and you could use a different fashion like I mentioned, but the most important thing here is each of these bars, the number of bars you pick from each bag has to be different from all the other bars. It can't be the same. Then the solution fails. Okay, so we want to know that, what is the expected weight of the gold bars picked in this fashion in each case. This is important. And we have to compute this beforehand, okay? So if we anticipate, okay, what is expected weight in each of the cases, then it becomes very easy for us to understand which case are we in. And because we can just only use digital scale 1. So let's just first compute this calculation and it will become clear what I'm saying. So in case 1, you have, again, the order in which we pick up the gold bars from each of the bags is this. For the sake of, convenience, I'm just writing it here. Okay, so case 1. Now we know bag 1 is fake. So we know we pick only one bar from this. So it's got to be 1 into 8, the expected weight. So let me just say this is expected weight. Okay, so this is 1 into 8 plus. Now all the other bags are genuine. So you have 3 bars from the second bag and the weight is 10 lb per bar. Okay, here we check. So quickly we check is that real gold bar is 10 lb and the fake one is 8 lb. So we just remember this. So we go back here. So 3 bars from the bag 2, which is again genuine, so 3 into 10, then 5 into 10, plus 7 into 10, plus 9 into 10, okay? And What I know is I can also write it like this. I can say this is 10 minus 2 plus 3 into 10 plus 5 into 10, 7 into 10 plus 9 into 10. Okay, and this can be written as 1 into 10 plus 3 into 10. I'll just tell you why I'm doing this, just to make it easy. 7 into 10 plus 9 into 10 minus 2, which basically, so this minus 2 basically comes here. Okay, and everything else is this. Now we know that this is nothing but, if we take 10 out, it's 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. And if you add them up, this becomes equal to, this is 10, and this is 10, this is 25. So this is 250 minus 2. This is 248. 248 lbs are expected weight here. So this is correct. And then let's talk about case 2 now. So in case 2 now, you have bag 2 is fake. So this means when we pick 3 gold bars from bag 2, they gotta be fake, and the rest of all of them are genuine. Okay, so expected weight here is, so first, again, the pattern was 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so first bag is genuine, so 1 into 10 plus 3 into 8 plus 5 into 10 plus 7 into 10 plus 9 into 10. Okay, just break this into 2. 10 minus 2, 5 into 10. And this becomes equal to, all right, so what do we have here? So basically I just simplify the computation. Again, the interesting thing to understand or remember is now you have 3 bars which are fake, because bag 2 is fake, as our assumption. Case 2 is this. The fact is, if everything was genuine, our weight would be this. Our weight would be basically this. This basically means if everything was genuine. So because each gold bar is 10 lbs, and then you pick 1 from bag 1, 3 from bag 2, and 5 from bag 2, and so on. So this becomes 10. The original weight, if everything was genuine, would be 250. And as you increase the number of fake gold bars, every time you add a gold bar, it decreases by 2 lbs. Okay, as you can see, case 1, you had bag 1, but we only picked 1 gold bar from bag 1, and therefore the weight reduced by 2 lbs, not grams, 2 lbs. Okay, so therefore the expected weight is 248 lb. In this case, in case 2, we picked 3 gold bars from bag 2, so the expected weight has got to be 250 minus 6, because that's 3 into 2, reduction of 2 lb for the 3 for each gold bar, and we picked 3 gold bars from bag 2, so that becomes 244 lb. So similarly, I'm just going to quickly expedite this. In case 3, you have bag 3, which is fake, and we know we pick 5 gold bars from bag 3. So therefore, the expected weight is actually 250 minus 5 into 2. Again, reduction of 2 lb per each fake gold bar, and we pick 5 gold bars from this fake bag, which is bag 3. So this becomes equal to what? 240 lb. Okay. Case 4. This has got to be 250 minus 7 into 2. So that's 250 minus 14, and that is equal to 236 lb. Case 5. 250 minus 9 into 2. 250 minus 18, and that is equal to 232 lb, as you can see. Okay, this is the summary we have. Okay, just again for comprehensiveness, the number of gold bars we pick from each bag is in this order. Okay, so if bag 1 was fake, one fake gold bar, so expected weight is 248 lbs. If bag 3 is fake, 3 fake gold bars, 244 lbs. 5, 240, 7, 236, 9, 232 lb. So now we know if we pick up gold bars in this fashion, in each of the situation, because we know the question states it's just 1 fake gold bar bag, so we know if we pick up gold bars in this fashion, we weigh them on the digital scale, we're gonna get one of these cases. Okay, and as soon as we know one of the cases is hit, we know, okay, which one is a fake gold bar. So for example, let's say the weight comes out to be, you weigh these gold bars in the actual weight, let's say actual weight comes out to be 236 lb. So this implies, by definition, you can quickly check your table and say, okay, we know bag 4 is fake. There we go. Well done. You're indeed a good detective. Well, that was the answer to the question. That's a strategy we got to adopt. And again, you could have a different way to come up with a strategy, but I think the answer is you won't have a different answer in either situation. And the idea is, again, have the different number of gold bars picked from each bag, and you can have a different pattern. That's okay. You don't have to stick to one, which I've used, but make sure there are no duplicates in the number of gold bars you pick from each bag. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this problem and you enjoyed solving it. So in case, please give it a like and also comment about your experience. And we'll see you next time. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so far. I highly appreciate your your support. And we'll see you next time. Thank you.